about 11 a.m. right now and we are heading to the gym.
Whoopsie.
मास्क गलत पहन लिया, सॉरी हेलमेट गलत पहन लिया है।
Alex, what the fuck are you doing?
I am in the cardio room right now and I do this workout where I put the incline on 12, the speed on 3 and I do this for 30 minutes. It's actually really tiring.
सच्ची में ऐसे ले रहा हूँ मजा नहीं आज उसको मजा आया
ऐसे 아리가또 아리가또 아리가또
I just got out. Today's plan of action. I have 4 looks to shoot. I do not have my tripod here. So I'll be taking Shubhankar's help with the shoot. Let's go. My makeup is all done. So my first shoot is based around a coffee theme. So I have some raw coffee beans here. I have this wooden chopping board that I use as a backdrop.
फ्री
Nice.
मेरा बैग भी साबुन जैसे ही लग रहा है, देखो ना ये
मेरा साबुन वापस करो मेरे को
साबण घे तुझा
साबण घे तुझा
2 shoots down, 2 more to go. I'm finally done with most of the looks that I had to do for today. Now I'm about to shoot for one of my most favorite brands because it is run by my junior and my friend. So this is what the final look looks like. I'm obsessed with it. Ugh. Now it's time to talk about all the important stuff. So starting with how I plan my shoots. If you're shooting at home and you are by yourself, the most important thing is a tripod. If you do not have a tripod, get one ASAP. It is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of effort. And if you do have a tripod, do not be stupid like me and take it with you everywhere. You have to start traveling with your tripod because it is basically just going to save your life. And get a tripod with a Bluetooth remote because it is the game changer. The second most important thing is the right lighting. I have shot in all sorts of natural lights and unnatural lights, and I can guarantee you this that there is nothing that beats natural sunlight. So make sure you use the sunlight to your advantage. Another really important thing is planning a shoot in advance. Get inspiration from Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, whatever you think would help further your vision. Plan some things in advance, but also make sure that you leave a little room for experiments. Another really cool thing that I picked up over the years is applying an ice cube before you put on your makeup. Wrap an ice cube, a light towel, and dab it on your skin before you put on your makeup, and your makeup will go on so smoothly. And another thing, aloe vera gel is great for your skin. I use aloe vera gel religiously. I've been using it for years. You can get really cool affordable aloe vera gels in the market. Use it once or twice a day and your skin will thank you. And here's another tip, especially if you're a guy, because I trust my girls to take care of their skin. Guys, you have to start using sunscreen before you step out of the house, and even if you don't step out of the house, make sure you apply a good sunscreen on your face so that your face does not get wrinkly and old and get sunspots. Just take care of your skin. Just take care of your skin. It's worth it. It's worth everything. And drink a lot of water. Now let's talk about angles and posing. These are the things that come to you with practice. You have to spend a lot of time with getting used to your face and your body. As superficial as it sounds, you have to look at your face constantly in the mirror. You have to practice your expressions and your posing in front of a mirror, in front of a front view camera, anything that you can find. The more you practice, the better you get at it. Now another thing is experimenting with super high or super low angles, because if you keep using the same angles, same expressions and the same posing, your style will get mundane, you will get bored of it, your audience will get bored of it. So it is really important to keep experimenting, keep looking for inspiration, keep looking for fresher ideas, and just never be shy of trying new things. Now, how I edit my pictures. I edit all my pictures on VSCO. I have never really liked using presets because I don't understand how one preset can suit multiple pictures. So it's always better to create your own preset. But I have this tiny little hack that I do. I edit one picture from one set and I copy and paste it to all the other pictures so that everything looks cohesive. Another really cool thing that you can do is find VSCO edits on Pinterest. When you type in VSCO edits and your inspiration, suppose you want a VSCO edit for sunlit pictures or for pictures to look like film or for gloomy pictures, anything under the sun, I will insert some of my favorite edits. Some of these are my own and some of these I found on the internet and I use them religiously, so I think you guys will really like it too. You can take a screenshot of it and save it for your later uses. My most favorite thing to do in edits is adding grains. I know this is going to trigger a lot of photographers and most of my photographer friends are going to hate me for doing this, but I don't know, I just think grains add a lot of character to your picture if added right. I just love grains, so I had to put that in here. Now for the biggest secret, if you have clicked a picture that is slightly off center but you really like it, I have a very cool hack for you. All you need is this app called Snapseed. It has this free tool called Expand. You can edit your backgrounds to expand as much as you like. You can center the subject accordingly and your work is done. Your photo just automatically looks so much better. So yeah, those were my photography and editing hacks. I think the most underrated yet overexposed topic of modeling is that you have to have confidence, but it is the truth. Confidence comes with practice. It is not something that you can achieve in one day. Also make sure that you work on your craft and your body mentally and physically every single day. You put some effort into it, because the more effort that you put into something, the more it shines. Take small steps to better your craft and your body. Start practicing your poses, drink more water, start meditating. Whatever makes you feel better, do it, because it is really important to feel good about yourself, to look good. I think that is about it for this video, and I know मैंने इसमें भी हिंदी में बात नहीं करा है, but I'm still getting used to the camera. Talking in Hindi is a little hard, especially when I'm alone, but I'll make sure कि मैं अभी से आदत डालूँ कि मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करना start करूँ, so that everyone can relate and everyone can understand what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for all the love and the positivity that you guys gave me on my very first video. I was talking to Shubhankar about this and my worst fear was to get 200 or 300 views and all of them would hate it. So I cannot believe that I got over 500 comments and all of them were so positive. Thank you so much. Ow. So thank you for taking out the time to write something so thoughtful. Honestly means the world to me. I will try and keep creating useful content for you guys, so that we can all grow together. And yeah, thank you. I will see you guys the next time. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of that, because you guys are really good at it. And yeah, I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.